Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you guys what the if else statements are in Python. So if else statements are like statements where you like tell a computer if this is that, then type this. And then like you tell it like if this amount is less than that or more than that or equal, do this and that, or like if input is this or that, do that. So in this lesson, I'll be telling you a simple project where like you type your age and then the computer like tells you a message like according to your age. So like if your age is in the kid range, it'll take a kid message. If it's in the teenager range, a teenager message. And in the adult and after the senior age, it'll type an adult or a senior age message. So let's get started. So first, what I want to do is delete this comment line as we don't need it. And we'll skip this. And we'll go in the third line and type import Java. And then we'll type .util.scanner. This will be the input we want to do. And then we'll do public class Java third. We'll bring this public static void code back here. The I should be above the P, and yeah, we're ready to start the code. So first what I want to do is type system.out.println, enter your age. But first let me fix this, and now we'll do enter your age. Okay, now we'll click enter, and then we'll click enter again. Now what we'll want to do next is type try scanner equals new scanner, and then we'll do system dot in, and we'll put a curly bracket here, and there we go. So that will be the try area for the scanner. Okay, so what is next? So I forgot to put a semicolon there, so you have to type that first. And yeah, now what is next in our code? So what we'll want to do next is go here and then this is the read user input area. Oh, and wait, let me just do this. Yeah, now this will work. This code will work now. So now let me show you guys another thing. After that, this will read the user input. So let me type that into read user input. Okay, and then we'll do string dot input. Oh, we'll not put the dot. So let's just type string input equals, and then we'll do scanner dot next line, and we'll put these, and I'll put this. Okay, now we'll do int age, and then we'll do equals integer, then we'll type parse int, and then we'll do the parentheses and input. Yep, it already knows. Okay, so now we'll put a semicolon here, and that code is done. So now what we'll want to do is like this is the part where the input like the input thing is like selected. Like we already made the code for the input area. So also we made a variable called age. So like when it asks for like the age, we'll type age in it and like yeah, we'll type the age. So that is that, and let me show you the next line of code. So we'll now type if else logic age. Okay. If else logic using age. Okay. Then after that we will go here and type if, and then we'll do parentheses, and then we'll do age is less than 13, curly brace, then this will happen. So we'll put us enter there, and then we'll type system dot out dot print ln, and then we'll do bracket, I mean parentheses. This we'll put the double quotes there, and then we'll do you are a child. Enjoy your youth. Okay, we'll want to put a semicolon there, and we'll copy this code here so we can use it in the next area. So this is the beginning part of the if else thing. So this is saying like if like for the input someone enters like 13 or like enters 12 or less, it will tell them this message. So after that we'll just go here, and after the age we will do enjoy your youth, and then after the enjoy your youth part we'll do this. We'll put the end here. Let me bring the end. And this is where the end should be. Okay. Now we'll do else if age equals 20. And then we'll go here and put a curly brace here. And then after that we'll do another system.out.println. I meant like age equals, I meant like age less than, sorry. Okay. Now after that, we'll put a space and we'll do Control V. And after that, we'll do you are a teenager. And then we'll do enjoy learning new things. And then after that, we'll go here and do the same thing we did last time. So now we'll also type again else if, now we'll do age, and then we'll do less than, we'll do age less than, we'll delete this. If age is less than 65, and then we'll put another curly brace there. And then we'll do this. We'll put a curly brace here. And now we'll type enter again. Okay. Now after that, it will type system.out.println, and then we'll just delete this message, and then we're like, you are an adult. You are responsible now. Okay. And then we'll click enter, and then we will end the code with this here. Okay. So that is that. So now after that, we'll type else, and we'll do this. And then after that, we'll put a space and type Control V, and then system.out.println. Then we'll do, let me just fix this part. Okay, now here we'll do system.out.println, and then after that we'll do you are a senior. You are old and wise. Okay, and then we'll just put this here. Okay, and then now we'll put this here. We will put this here. We'll put another curly brace here. And then we'll do catch. And then we'll do catch. Now we'll put these in brackets. Number, format, exception, E. Now I'll put this curly brace here. Now we'll type Control V, and we'll do, wait. Now we'll do this and type invalid entry. Please enter number. Okay, so that should be that. And there should be 3 of these here. We'll move this here. Actually, we'll run the code here and click OK. So first is ask for my age, okay? Now, like, say, we'll do all of these for example. So there's 5 examples. So let's start with the first case. So what, like, if you're, like, what, 5 years old? We'll say you're a child. Enjoy your youth. Now we'll do another age. So actually, if you do nothing, I'll type invalid entry. I accidentally typed nothing for here. Now enter your age. 15, for example. You're a teenager, enjoy learning new things. And now we'll type, for example, 45 or 44. It's okay, we'll type 45. You're an adult. You are responsible now. So now we'll run this and like enter your age. So we can type like 85. Type you're senior, you're old and wise. Now one last time. Enter your age. Ha 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 ha. I'm trolling. So if you type that, it will type invalid entry. Please enter numbers. So yeah. That's basically what it is. So this if else thing is very good in Java because like if you're doing like projects where like you want different outputs for like different entries or something like that, this if else statement is good. So like basically you're telling the computer like what you want. So if this is that, do that. If this is that, do that, and so on, so on. So that's basically what if else statements are. So and I'll teach you more about other things in the next lesson, which involve if else statements. So I hope you enjoyed today's Java lesson about if else statements, and I hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye.